Understanding what the customer wants and what they're expecting out of an automation cell is really important. So while I'm designing, I make sure to incorporate the end user's goal in mind, and that really just helps guide my design choices. We have a really fast design cycle here at Rapid, so prototyping quickly, getting designs out, being able to test them in an iterative manner is really important.
Trying to be creative about how do we design the cell so that the robot can be efficient with what it does.
Collaborating and being creative with our team is what's most fun. I get to solve problems in new ways every day, design things that haven't been designed before, and then physically make them a week or two later. We're really able to add a lot of value to the customer, making it very affordable and making sure that it's robust and that it'll last for the lifetime of this deployment.
Our support team's always there to help. Whatever the robots need, we're there to support it and deliver the best product for our customer.